Incident management introduces a structured, operator-friendly framework that standardizes how security teams capture, investigate, and resolve critical situations. Secure IQ 320 builds further on the incident management feature by introducing independently logging incidents when no originating event exists, as well as creating incidents directly from active events. To create an incident from an active event, navigate to the event viewer, open the Assess Event window for an event, and click the Incident tab. Click the Create Incident button. From here, you can select an operational workflow if one is not set to this event type. Proceed through the workflow steps. You can now add additional information or associated events as supporting evidence. Once complete, close the Assess Event window and navigate to the Incidents area. Here you can see your created incident. It will remain in an open state until the event is acknowledged. To create an independent incident, click Add New. Enter a name and click Save. If you wish to attach it to an active event, click on the Events tab. From the Attachments tab, you can attach images, documents, and video files relevant to the incident. You can attach any clips that were created, as well as attaching journal or audit log entries in either PDF or CSV format. You can preview any attachments before saving the incident. From the Operational Workflow tab, operators can associate a previously configured workflow that is suitable for the incident. Once complete, save and close the incident. Exporting an incident will create a summary report with all the incident details. Click the three-dot menu to complete actions, such as View, Delete, and Reopen. Only operators with sufficient privileges can reopen incidents. Operators can now download a folder containing all incident information and attachments. By combining native incident handling with customizable operational workflows, this helps organizations improve response consistency, reinforce compliance, and increase overall operational efficiency.